National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Weld County until 6:30 p.m. At 3:23 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain over Gilchrist. The rain was nearly stationary. Up to 4 inches of rain have already fallen in the last 90 minutes. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mulligan, LaSalle, Gilchrist, and Milton Reservoir. Precautionary preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.